Yeah, please work and tell me the values of D. So we know that to assume three numbers in AP, we should go with the assumption A minus D, A plus D. Four numbers in AP, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. To assume five numbers in AP, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay. If we have forgotten, Recall 3 numbers in AP, A minus D, A plus D. 4 numbers in AP, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. 5 numbers in AP, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. See, to this one add one more on either side, that's all. A minus D, A plus D, no? A minus 2D, A plus 2D. Just add one on either sides. See, this is A, right? Now here A minus D, A plus D. 3 terms in AP. A minus 2D, A plus 2D. 5 terms in AP. All right? Did we notice that? 3 terms in AP. See here, A minus D, A plus D. 3 terms. 5 terms in AP, A minus 2D, A plus 2D. This is how we assume 3, 4, 5 terms in AP. So 3 like this, 5 like this. So 7 will be A minus 3D and A plus 3D. 9 terms, A minus 4D, A plus 4D. Now now this is 4 terms, no? So if you want 6 terms, A minus 5D and there A plus 5D. A minus D, A minus 3D. So A minus 5D. Then on the other side also A plus 5D. But mostly for you 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. That's all. That's a limit. Okay. So split 207 into 3 parts. So let the 3 parts be A minus D, A and A plus D. So when you add the 3 parts, you should get the total 207, right? Because you're splitting 207 into 3 parts. So when you put the 3 parts together, the total should be 207. You're splitting 207 into 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? A minus D, A and A plus D. So if you add the 3 parts, the total will be 207. So when you do that, you're able to find the value of A. Next, the product of the 2 smaller parts is 4623. So see, now supposing we have numbers 2, 4, and 6. They are in AP, but 6, 4, 2 are also in AP, no? So in this case, these are the two, in this case, these are the 2 smaller parts. In this case, these are the 2 smaller parts. See, the numbers are 2, 4, 6, but you can also say 6, 4, 2. That is, when you're splitting 207 into 3 parts, when you're splitting 207 into 3 parts, now what is this? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, let's take this question. Split 12 into 3 equal parts. Sorry, not equal parts. Split 12 into 3 parts such that they are in AP. Split 12 into 3 parts such that the 3 parts are in AP. So you can say 2, 4, 6 or 6, 4, 2, right? Three parts. The 3 parts must be in AP. So you will say 2, 4, 6 or even 6, 4 and 2. Both are right, no? You have to split, that's all. And the 3 parts should be in AP. So 2, 4, 6, they are in AP. 6, 4, 2 are also in AP. So in 2, 4, 6, these two are the smaller numbers. Here, 4 and 2, the last two are the smaller numbers. That's why one case is A minus D into A is equal to, see here, and the product of the 2 smaller parts is 4623. The product of the 2 smaller parts is 4623. So A minus D and A can be the 2 smaller parts, Or A and A plus D also can be the two smaller parts. When D is positive, these are the two smaller parts. When D is negative, these are the two smaller parts. I think you can get it with this example, right? Here, these are the two small, my goodness, today a lot of mistakes. Here, these are the two smaller parts. Here, these are the two smaller parts. So, A into, oh my goodness, what's the launch? Bad day. So here it is A minus D and A. Here it is A and A plus D. Okay. So you'll have to just show both the working. So we have D2. Now we know A is 69. So we get D2 or D minus 2. So the three parts are 67, 69, 71 or 71, 60. The three parts are 67, 69, 71 or 71, 69, 67. All right. Yeah. Next question. Finish working. Online children. All of us here finish working.
That's all.
Okay. Cross multiply, children. Cross multiply. 15a square minus 135d square is equal to 7a square minus 7d square. Simplify and then use the value of a. We know a is 8, no? Am I right? Oh, today my day is really bad. Plus, no. A square minus 7a square minus 135d square plus 7d square. Yeah. 8a square minus 128 d square is equal to 0. I can take 8 common. A square minus 8 ones are 8. 8 6 are 48. D square is equal to 0. A square minus 16 d square is equal to 0. 8 square minus 16. 8, no? D square is equal to 0. So the numbers are 2, 6, 10, 14 or 14, 10, 6, 2. Yeah, okay. So what was it? The sum of four consecutive numbers in AP. So how do we take four numbers in AP? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. And their sum is 32. So when you do that, you're able to find the value of A. Then the other condition is given. The ratio of the product of the first term and the last term to the product of the two middle terms. So the product of this and this divided by the product of this and this. It's like saying the product of extremes to the product of means. In these four numbers, these are the extremes and these are the means. It's like saying the product of the extremes to the product of means is 7 by 15. Okay, the first term and the last term, they are the extremes. These two middle terms, they are the means, the product of the two middle terms. Okay, so that ratio is 7 by 15. See, you can substitute the value of A here itself. You can do that also. Nothing, you can do that. I have simplified and used the value of A in one place finally. Both are fine. So I worked this cross multiplied and whatever I simplified. And finally, when there's only one A, no, there I put the value of A, 8. Like there are many A's, no? Here there are many A's everywhere. I had to put A. So I thought, okay, let me just simplify. Now there's only one A, no? At this point, when it's simplified, there I use the value of A. Any point you can use the value of A. Yeah, so I simplified. So many A's are there, so I just simplified. I got A squared minus 16D squared is equal to 0. So here I use the value of A. And we find the value of D plus or minus 2. That's it. To find the numbers, you need the values of A and D. We already found A, 8. Now D plus or minus 2. So when A is 8, D is 2. And when A is 8, D is minus 2. Find the four numbers. All right. Okay, next one. So you must complete your answer by saying the four numbers are 2, 6, 10, 14 or 14, 10, 6 and 2. Or you work the sum of the angles as 180 first. You will find the value of A. So when A is 60, D 20, when A is 60, D minus 20. So the angles are 40, 60, 80 or 80, 60, 40. So see, 40, 60, 80, 80, 60, 40. That's why we took both the cases. The greatest angle is twice the least. Now this can, see the numbers are in, if the angles are in AP, so the numbers will be in the decreasing order or increasing order. The number A minus D, A plus D, because they are in AP, they'll be in the increasing order like 10, 20, 30 or decreasing order 30, 20, 10. So the greatest angle, if this is the greatest angle, this will be the least angle. Or if this is the greatest angle, this will be the least angle. Because they're an AP. Yes or no? Since they're an AP, if the first one is the greatest angle, the last one is the least angle. If the last one is the greatest angle, then the first one is the least angle. So we have to take both the cases. The condition is the greatest angle is twice the least. If this is the greatest angle, it's twice the least angle. Or if this is the greatest angle, it's twice the least angle. Twice meaning 2 and 2. So again, the value of A you can substitute in the first line itself. Okay, now what's the other default equation? Because they are the angles of a triangle, the sum of the three angles is equal to 180. That's not given, but since we know that, we have to work that and find the value of A. And then this other information which is given in the question to find the value of D. Now I haven't finished the answer, so you must write when A is 60 and D is 20, the angles are. When A is 60, D is minus 20, the angles are. However, the angles are 40, 60, 80. Or 80, 60, 40. Yeah. All right. I just want to bring the difference. So I just want to do this one so that, I make myself clear. You don't work, maybe. Just listen, I'll share the image on WhatsApp. The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP whose common difference is 10 degrees. So see, quadrilateral, 4 angles. Common difference is 10. What's the assumption? Let the 4 angles be. Why nobody wants to say? Yeah, we should not go with that assumption. We should not use the assumption A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D because we know the common difference. No, that we assume when we don't know the first one, when we don't know the common difference. We know nothing. That assumption is made A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. It's when we know nothing. We don't know A, we don't know D. We know D. We know D is 10. So let the 4 angles of the quadrilateral be A plus 10, A plus 20, and A plus 30. The common difference is 10, no? You will go wrong if you use that assumption. We'll talk about that in the next slide because there the common difference is 2D. See, remember this. When you know, here you know the common difference, right? Don't go with that assumption. When you don't know A and D, then use that assumption. You know D, right? Then don't go with that assumption. We know a quadrilateral has 4 angles. So let the now the common difference is a positive 10. So the second angle will be A plus 10, third angle A plus 20, fourth angle A plus 30. Correct? Yeah. So let the 4 angles be A plus 10, A plus 20, A plus 30. Then what? Add all the 4 angles equal to 360 degrees. You will find A and hence you can find the 4 angles. This question is only to deceive children to use that assumption. You should not use it. You will not get this correct answer. You will get 4 angles. The sum of the 4 angles will be 360, but their common difference will not be 10. You will get 4 angles. With that assumption, you will get 4 angles. The sum of the 4 angles will be 360 degrees, but their common difference will not be 10. You please work and check it yourself. All right. So you must say let the angles be A plus 10, A plus 20, A plus 30. All right. All right. I'll work this and share the answer on WhatsApp with you. I also have to share the introduction to coordinate geometry. I didn't give you time to write the formula, section formula, midpoint formula, and distance formula to share that also. Okay, this positively I'll share today. Okay. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night. And online children, you can leave the call. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.